Hello everyone and welcome back to Untold, the channel where we explore some of the most legendary vehicles ever built. From classic American cars to powerful vintage trucks, we bring you stories, history, and appreciation for machines that shaped the automotive world. If you love classic vehicles and want to see more amazing content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our growing community of car and truck enthusiasts. Today we are talking about one of the most respected and recognizable classic trucks in American history, the 1953 Mack B Series. This truck is not just a vehicle, it is a symbol of strength, reliability, and hard-working American engineering. Even decades after its production, the Mack B Series is still admired by collectors, truck drivers, and vintage vehicle fans around the world. When Mack introduced the B Series in the early 1950s, the company already had a strong reputation for building durable trucks. But the B Series took that reputation to a whole new level. The design was simple, tough, and incredibly practical. The truck featured a rounded hood, a strong steel body, and of course the famous Mack bulldog emblem sitting proudly on the front. That bulldog symbol became a powerful representation of toughness and dependability. The 1953 Mack B Series was built during a time when trucks were expected to work hard every single day. These trucks were used for construction, heavy hauling, logging, farming, and long-distance transport. Owners trusted Mack trucks because they knew they could handle difficult jobs without breaking down easily. The B Series quickly became one of the most popular trucks Mack ever produced. One of the reasons for the success of the 1953 Mack B Series was its strong engine options. Mack built their trucks with powerful diesel engines that were designed to last for many years. These engines delivered excellent torque, which made the truck perfect for carrying heavy loads across long distances. Even in difficult conditions like rough roads or steep hills, the Mack B Series proved it could perform reliably. Another thing that made this truck special was its rugged construction. Everything about the truck was built to be durable. The frame was extremely strong, the suspension was designed for heavy work, and the mechanical components were built to survive years of use. Many owners reported that their Mack B Series trucks lasted for decades with proper maintenance. The cab design of the 1953 Mack B Series was also practical and functional. Drivers had good visibility from the large windshield, and the layout of the controls was simple and easy to use. While the interior was not luxurious like modern trucks, it was comfortable enough for drivers who spent long hours on the road. The focus was clearly on reliability and functionality. One of the most interesting things about the Mack B Series is how many of these trucks are still around today. Classic truck collectors and restoration enthusiasts love bringing these vehicles back to life. At vintage truck shows across the United States, restored Mack B Series trucks often attract a lot of attention. Their classic design, strong presence, and historical importance make them true icons of the trucking world. Another reason people admire the 1953 Mack B Series is its timeless appearance. The truck has a bold and confident look that still feels powerful today. The long hood, the strong front grille, and the famous bulldog mascot give it a personality that modern trucks sometimes lack. It represents an era when machines were built purely for strength and purpose. For many truck drivers who worked during the 1950s and 1960s, the Mack B Series was more than just transportation. It was a trusted partner on the road. Drivers built memories with these trucks while hauling goods across cities, states, and highways. That emotional connection is one reason why the B Series remains so respected today. Even after more than 70 years, the 1953 Mack B Series continues to represent the golden age of American trucking. It reminds us of a time when vehicles were designed to last a lifetime and built with pride and craftsmanship. This truck helped move industries, build cities, and support the hard-working people who depended on it. For classic vehicle lovers, the Mack B Series is not just an old truck. It is a piece of history, a machine that helped shape the transportation industry and earned its reputation through decades of dependable service. Thank you for watching this video on Untold. If you enjoyed learning about the legendary 1953 Mack B Series and want to see more classic trucks and vintage vehicles, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for our next video. There are many more amazing automotive legends to discover.